I spoke to my demons, think I need some time alone. It's been creeping on me all these nights to own my soul. Said she don't believe that I will leave her on her own. I've been through some shit, it's been some time since I've been home. Time at home.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Exploring the Taste with your boy Lehodi. Today I am in Iceland still. I'm going to do an activity, basically like hiking to a waterfall. It's pretty far from where I am from. Just trying to like view the whole distance that I walked. Come here. Alright, but I'm almost there now. Yeah, this is pretty much an attraction out here in Iceland. So I just had to like take a whole walk to see all of this. I'm not gonna be able to do a double up, meaning I'm not gonna be able to cross over from here, so I need to go all the way there where there are cars. I wish I had a car. I'm gonna drive all the way there. Even if I had a car, I'm not here to stay. I'm just here for 5 days, so it wouldn't make sense for me to go around with my car. How was I gonna be able to arrive here with the car? It's impossible unless if I was based in Iceland. I still can't pronounce the capital city, and I'm actually there. It's quite far. It's like it took me, I don't know how many hours to arrive here from the capital. It's just a place out of nowhere. I don't know if I'm audible enough because I'm putting on a mic, but it's under my jacket because it's pretty windy here and quite cold. So it's kind of impossible for me to put the mic outside or just hold the mic by myself. It's a portable mic, so hence it's inside my jacket. So this is an activity. One of the craziest activities I'll ever do. This is not so crazy, but yeah, man. First activity ever on Exploring the Taste. It's hiking to I don't know what's the name of this waterfall, but I'll try to find out what does it have a name, or it's just like a waterfall in Iceland. I don't know if it does have a name because I saw it on Google before I came here. Search the video. All of those stuff. Yeah, man. This is an exercise. I wish I was with somebody. I wish I could find somebody there, because I can't quite like talk a lot when I'm by myself, and I don't even have like the stick with me. I just have a mic. I forgot the stick to like film very well, but it's okay. It's just an activity, and I hope the video comes out well. See, pretty much a lot of people are here. Houses. I don't know how do they survive staying here. Yeah, it is what it is. I don't really like vlogging because I don't know what to say. Unless I'm asleep. If I was asleep, I will know whatever the fuck to say. But now I don't know what to say because I don't know. Let's just get there and see what's going on when we are there. I might find some of my colleagues here, so don't be surprised me greeting people or finding somebody that knows me. I'm wearing quite warm. The boots on. All right. I'm wearing the boots on. I'm wearing a beanie, as well as shades. I can't say they're sunglasses because they're too swaggerish. I don't know if that there's such a word. They're too swaggerish to be just sunglasses. They're shades. Oh, I know this too. Mr. and Mrs.
Don't have a jacket?
I do.
He doesn't have his basketball with him. There'll be no basketball.
Do you have a seat?
I do. They're same as yours.
Okay.
Yeah, I do.
Because if you didn't, I
You
have
don't
one.
need a-
Thank
You
you.
have the one with the lining? This one?
Yeah, not the same. Yeah, this. This
You
one.
have this one? Okay.
Yeah. I'm wearing it under. Thank you. See you later. Told you. This is quite good. Am I able to take picture while I'm recording? Yeah, I am. I know. All right, let's get there. Oh my God, hiking. Sim. Nature is quite beautiful. I just hope I'm audible enough. Find that I'm talking to myself. And nobody's able to hear what I'm saying. I'm going there, by the way. I made it all the way from alright, doesn't want to go back. Made it all the way from there. Walked all the way. Now I'm here. Thank you. I think this is the name of the place, if I'm not mistaken. Hundafoss. Whatever. Let's get here. Hiking is quite an exercise, man. Very much of an exercise. I regret not having the stand with me, because now I'm like trying to stay still with my phone, and yeah, man, I hope it works, because if it's not working, I'm not gonna post it. Gotta be professional, you know. Gotta stay professional all the time. Oh my God. Alright. I think each and every waterfall has a name. That one is the journey continues. We're going all the way up to the top. Just hope I find somebody that I know, so I can oh my God, I wonder how many kilometers is this? But this is quite a hike. Going all the way up. Oh my God. Oh my God. Right? Almost there. Still going. But eventually we're gonna make it. I don't know what happens when I'm there. Do I go all the way to the top? Like, do I go all the way to the top of the mountain? What? That would be crazy. Ah, shit. Anyway, thank you for everyone who subscribed, and to more others who are going to subscribe. Stop right here. The other next one. Each and every waterfall has a name. This is the one called, I am not going to be able to read that. Yeah, man, I made it.
Hey, look at you out and about.
See? You did? Oh well, it was too much for me. Right? Almost there. I'm just okay. I'm not feeling cold. Yeah. Mr. and Mrs. No. How can I forget your name? No way. I'm no. I did not. I'm tired from walking.
He's quick.
Are you gonna be able to go down?
I'll roll it, can't.
I can
No,
assist.
honestly, I'm really better on my own. I won't even take out from
You gonna do it?
Yeah, I can.
I can assist you until then. At least.
It is much easier to win. Clean up the management. It's easier for us so we know what we can and can't do. But thank you very much.
Very kind of you. Go and enjoy it.
I see you inside. How you doing, sir?
Good. How are you?
I am great.
You taking pictures all the way up?
Yeah, a video. A video. I'm just vlogging around.
Good job. It's beautiful out there.
Yeah, until I make it there.
Hello.
Hi. Thank you. Almost there. Actually, I think I arrived. I don't know. No, I haven't. There are people up there on top, and I'm going all the way on top. Let's go. I wish they had like bots stating how many Ks I've done so far, because I am from far, man. Very far. Finally, I have kind of made it. Pictures? Alright, we pretty much made it. So now I want to go all the way down. But my phone is like getting full of water because it's just like a whole lot of steam. Frost, whatever. One more, please. Okay. Okay, I'm going all the way down. Finally made it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Man. Fuck. I gotta put my beanie on. Yo, Nick, you don't want to be in exploring the taste? Yeah, man. Exploring the taste, man.
Yo.
Thank you. Yeah, even today. There we go. Thank you. Quite beautiful. Sorry, I paused a little bit. Still talking to this other lady. I just met her here, and she didn't want to be in my channel though. It's like, no, she's not social and yeah, whatnot. But she's gonna subscribe. Yeah, man, you're gonna see what's up. Okay, I made it here. Let me see. I think the sun wanna come out. The sun wanna come out. Okay, I don't know how many Ks I've done this, but I'm really like climbing a mountain here. Finally, I made it. I don't know how long it's gonna take me to go all the way down. Cause damn, I paused a little bit because I wanted to be a little bit faster. Hey, what?
You're almost there.
Yeah, I made it. 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 Ooh, I made it. Get it. Let's get it. We're going all the way to the waterfall inside. And yeah, man. This is the activity that I've done today, and I'm proud of myself. I made it all the way hiking to this waterfall. I don't see anyone there, but I ain't scared of anyone. Oh no, let me not say that. Actually proud of myself to making it here. I'm proud of myself for making it here, I mean, because I made it all the way till over here. Hold on, you all gotta see this. You all gotta see this. I am seeing rainbow in the middle of water. Like literally, rainbow in the middle of water. Let's go. I love this waterfall, man. The view is crazy. Super crazy. Super crazy. Literally. Apparently. Okay, now we're making it back. Thanks to this waterfall, we had a great time. But it's time to hit back. It's another, a hike back. So this really I've done half of it. But I'm just glad that it's not the same now. It's not gonna be like I was coming in. Now I am going down. Climbing up was the difficult part about hiking. This is actually not my first hiking, but it's definitely my first hiking over here in Iceland. I've done quite a couple of hiking, climbing the mountain in Joburg, South Africa. South Africa. South Africa. I don't know why I said that, but yeah, man, I said it. Yeah, now I'm hiking back. Yeah, South Africa. Usually just say that. Like, where you from? I'm from South Africa. Oh my God. Says she don't believe that I will leave her on her own. I don't know, should I just like drop the whole thing off, vlog all the way until I make it back? Oh man.